All right, guys, good morning. Good morning. We are going to attempt to get on this trailer because it's early morning. There's no clouds in the sky. The moon is still out over there. And the trailer is still right here with no advancements. So, what we're going to do, this morning, guys, we're going to go ahead before it gets too hot. We're going to go ahead and try to take the fenders off. Yep, we're going to attempt to get the fenders off this morning. Let's see. So, we're going to take the fenders off. Once I take the fenders off, we're going to give it a little, sand. And then we'll go from there. And we'll see if we can apply some paint today. I already have the paint, so we're gonna sand it, and this is the paint that we're gonna go with. Rust-Oleum. You know, every time I get ready to paint something, I like to use Rust-Oleum. So this is the custom one that has the 5-in-1 ultimate control custom spray, so you can adjust your fan on there for your wideness, and yeah, it can be adjusted. So it says 1 for high output, it says 2 for your standard, which more than likely probably going to use the standard, probably standard, and the low output. Vertical fan will be for like more coverage, and the 4 and 5 is for a lot more coverage, but we don't need a lot more coverage. We just need it to be regular. So like I said, we're just gonna get the fenders off. Once we get these fenders off, guys, then we're gonna worry about trying to get it painted and also sanded, then painted. So we will be right, guys. Let's get to this other fender, and I'm gonna show you guys what we're gonna do with this fender, because we're not done, because we are going to put these fenders back on. It might not be today or in this video, but those fenders are going back on. We're just going to do a little modification to it. This whole trailer is going to get modified. So okay. All right, so guys, now what we got to do, guys, is we're gonna have to locate the scraper so we can scrape the sides that was underneath the fender. So guys, once we scrape these sides down, then we're going to come back with the we're gonna come back with the sander and get everything sanded down, and then we're gonna come back with some spray. So good morning, good morning. What's up with you? Yeah, let's do a little something, something. Little something, something. No, not really. Not really. All right, you be easy now, nephew.